everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create effect on TikTok, how you can create your own effect on TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, you cannot directly do it from your TikTok app itself. For that, you have to access your browser and tap on the search bar and type in TikTok effect house. Right, once you have tapped on it, it will simply ask you to get started and enter the information of your account. So you can create an account right over there and start creating an effect. So effect house basically AR tool to make it easy to create and publish your high quality effects for TikTok. Right, simply access your TikTok effect house, tap on it, sign in, and then you will be able to simply create an effect, interactive effects for your TikTok purpose, and directly will be able to upload them on your TikTok and you can use it as well. So that's what you have to do. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.